Pharmacology Shorts. This is Dr. Shivam Jaju, and today I will be covering about direct renin inhibitors, which is part of the video lecture series on drugs acting on renin, angiotensin and aldosterone system. Here are the drugs which will be coming into this class. These are aliskiren, remikiren, xankiren and enalakiren, and all these drugs are non-peptide and there are competitive renin inhibitors. But out of these we use only aliskiren. Why? Because the other drugs are having poor efficacy and poor bioavailability and short t-half, and inversely they will increase the plasma renin levels. The mechanism of action of these class of drugs is very simple. The angiotensinogen which is present in the liver is converted to angiotensin 1 in the presence of renin, which in turn is converted to angiotensin 2 in the presence of angiotensin converting enzyme, and then it will produce aldosterone, which will cause sodium and water retention in the body. So these drugs will directly inhibit renin, which will cause inhibition of production of aldosterone, and so thereby sodium level will decrease in the body and potassium level will increase in the body. Now talking about the kinetics of aliskiren, the drug is usually given orally, but the bioavailability is very low. The reason is the aliskiren which is already absorbed is excreted by P glycoprotein, due to which the absorption is very less. So if the drugs which cause inhibition of P glycoprotein are given, it will increase the plasma level of aliskiren. The drugs are ketoconazole and atorvastatin. Even the elimination is by feces and urine, and the plasma TF is 20 to 45 hours on an average, which is 24 hours. So the drug will be retained for more time in the body. The adverse effects are usual as it is given orally. So we are having GI symptoms like diarrhea, abdominal pain, dyspepsia, and even headache and dizziness. Generalized symptoms are acute hypertension, hyperkalemia because the aldosterone is not at all produced, and even cough and angioedema. The uses are very common. The first one is hypertension. It can be used as monotherapy and even combination therapy. In monotherapy, aliskiren action is almost equal to ACE or ARBs, and in combination therapy, when aliskiren is given along with ACE or ARB, the effect is enhanced. And even these drugs are cardioprotective as they will reduce the left ventricular hypertrophy, and even they are renoprotective. The usual dosage which is given is 150 to 300 mg OD. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.